Shepherd and Jason Mighty.
I feel make it, wanna make it, I feel make it. Oh, when the saints go marching in,
Yeah.
when the saints go marching in,
Soldiers.
Lord, I want to be the number. When the saints go marching in, when the saints
March up.
go marching in, when the saints go marching in, Lord, I want to be the number. The saints go marching in. Wanna make it through that pearly gate, up front on time, me not late. Wanna be in the front line, cause I'm alive on earth, I never waste no time. The journey never easy, no, you better believe me, yeah. Temptation every day, but me turn my face, cause me want to visit Jesus. Me a fight my way through, you better do the same too. Anything when you want to do, judgment day only God can save you. When the saints come marching in, when the saints come marching in, Lord, I want to be the number.
March up.
The saints come marching in.
Yes, Mighty. When Jesus come, inna the clouds we go meet him. If I die, we can go greet him. Yo, because he is the Holy One. Yes, no matter what, when Jesus come, the whole of we go meet the Master, the whole church and the pastor. Because we living with him forever and never after. Yo, remember God put back flesh on the dry bone. Dry bone, yes, on the dry bone. If you no worship, God will be worshipped by the stone. By the stone, worship by the gain the world, lose your soul. It know what it. Who said we turn down the gospel? We book it. That journey said, Shepherd, you know we love it. And godly relationships, you know we broke it. Yeah, let it name all, you know. I threw it up with Jesus, all, you know. You put a name Julius Caesar, Claudius. Where your name, Money, I mean your Claudius.
Well then, when the saints come marching in, when the saints come marching in, Lord, I want to be the number. The saints come marching in.
This is the human race, we have to run it. It's not who in the first place, it's who done it. All that is not of God, who no shun it. If you no shun it, he's gonna burn it. The very appearance of sin, run it. And repent of all those that you commit. Give thanks unto God for every good thing. On the cross he's done it.
When the saints come marching in,